If I ask someone what should I eat in India, everyone say butter chicken and butter naan. Alright, let's dig in. Why butter chicken is so famous in India? My Indian friend answered that questions. Because it's delicious.
Oh.
Okay, this is my story of butter chicken in India.
Namaste, namaste. Hello, hello. Wow. Namaste.
Ni hao. What should I say? Ni hao? Where are you from?
I'm from South Korea.
I'm sorry.
Not
sorry.
you. Skill.
Skill.
You have to learn skill. Okay?
That will take time.
Wow, someone making a naan.
와 신기하다. Hello.
Hello.
와.
Anyway, what is this?
So good.
This is tandoori oven in India. I never seen any oven like that in my life. This is special oven I never seen before. Tandoori naan is awesome Indian flatbread.
Wow. What is that? What is that?
God.
So nice. Oh. Namaste.
Wow, what is this? I found something else.
Wow, so nice.
This is paratha. What is paratha? Paratha is type of the Indian flatbread. It's made by layering and rolling dough with butter and oil. You can have it plain or stuffed with yummy filling like potatoes. This smell makes my mouth watering. Alright, let's eat. We order butter chicken and butter naan and paratha. Chicken biryani too.
Butter chicken. This one is naan. Two roti and two paratha. Wow.
I was so excited.
Smells really good. Like that?
This curry is typical served in bowl.
भैया रोटी दो ना रोटी कितना दिया
Let's try this one. Ah! This one is naan and this one. What is different? Roti and paratha. Roti and paratha. Let's try roti. Whoa! It's really soft. Right. And then a little bit.
oh
Naan usually comes on separate plate or in the basket. So you have to scoop out both sides of curry. And then tear a piece of the naan using your fingers.
Really good. Really sweet, not spicy. I love butter chicken.
बटर चिकन is not spicy
Not spicy, very. Wow, do you love butter chicken? Oh, thank you. Wow, thank you. What is this? What is that?
परोठा
Paratha. Let's try paratha. I love paratha. Good. Wow, so big.
If you ask me, why do you like butter chicken? Butter chicken is typical of mild curry. I love this smooth tomato sauce. That's why I love it. This thick sauce is really creamy and melt in my mouth.
This one is a little bit salty and crispy and creamy, really creamy. Oh, can you explain this one? Butter chicken. Butter chicken is why so famous?
It's very delicious.
Just delicious, right? Really awesome. Which one is your favorite? This one. Ah, this one is more healthy, right? Healthy? I love butter chicken.
And then let's try chicken biryani. Wow, it looks yummy.
This one is chicken biryani, right? Do you like it? Why do you like it?
But so tasty, delicious.
Delicious. Can I eat head? Whoa! 알려줘. Show me. This is my first time to eat though. Wow. Oh, like that? And? Oh. Biryani. You know, biryani is like 볶음밥 in Korea. Do you love South Korea? Do you like South Korea?
Yes.
Okay, let's try biryani with naan. Biryani with together. How is it? So good. I love butter chicken. Ah, okay. I have to split. Divide, right. And then, so good. I love biryani too. If I have to choose just one, I choose the butter naan, butter chicken. Butter chicken is best.
After we finished the eating, we went to Himalaya shop. Do you know Himalaya brand in India? Actually, Himalaya brand is famous in Korea as well. That's why I wanna buy Himalaya product in India. If someone asks me, what should I buy in India? I want to recommend the Himalaya brand. I think the Himalaya brand quality is so good. Oh.
You choice.
How about bestseller?
Bestseller.
Oh, all product. Bestseller.
All bestseller.
All is bestseller?
Yes.
Oh.
This one good for
Oh.
all skin type. All.
Oil skin type.
All skin type.
Oil skin type?
Oily skin. This one.
Ah, I have oily skin.
Different skin, like this for combination oily, this for kesar pack, this for normal to dry, this new for the pollution detox and turmeric pack.
I just bought what Steph recommend.
772202.
After that, I try Indian desserts.
Wow! Hello. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Srishti.
Srishti. Hi, Srishti. Bye. Bye. So I wanna try street food today. So let's go, let's go. I think here have so many street food. Wow. Wow. This one is Thai? Thai?
सर बीच में काय को बात पकड़ रही है तुम्हारी स्टॉलो रालो स्टॉलो
What is this?
हाँ चाय चाय
Chai. Wow. Chai is best. Yeah, chai is best. I found like hello. Wow, so many things. What is that?
समोसे पापड़ी चाट so do you want to try it?
Oh, I want to try.
Yes.
What is that?
this sweet type of dessert
Oh, this one is type of the dessert.
sweetness
Oh, can I try this one? You know, now I found what is that name?
gulab jamun
Gulab jamun. I found gulab jamun. Wow, thank you.
yeah
Like
wait
that?
a minute
Why so big? So big.
you have to
I
tear
have to
it.
divide?
you have to cut it into two.
Oh. Wow, it's like really soft. Really soft. Right? It's soft.
yeah
It's really big soft. Okay, let's try it. Also, it's really big like that.
no you have to take one bite at a time
One bite?
at a time
I have to divide.
yeah
Okay, let's try. Wow! I really like it. What is that?
a little bit slow they are getting
Wow.
embarrassed
Really soft. I really like it. Wow, I love it. This is like dessert, right? This is Indian dessert.
yeah sweet dessert
And warm and sweet and soft. It's creamy. Thank you. It's really awesome.
yeah come
How much? How much? What is that?
the main gate ke
What is that? Samosa. Wow. Here have so many things. Now I'm really excited.
so
Is there lassi also?
no
What is that?
Indian ice creams are present here
Wow.
and cone ice creams
Let's try later. अच्छा लग रहा है? Yeah, yeah.